Hey, what's up guys, I'm here in the beautiful city of Barcelona, Spain, and it's time to do the ultimate night camera review of the Oppo Find X5 Pro and also compare it to the Galaxy S22 Ultra and the iPhone 13 Pro Max. Oppo has been boasting a lot about their night mode capabilities. They've got a brand new dedicated Silicon custom NPU chip to enhance the camera experience. Is this the king of the night? Well, we're in Barcelona to find that out, and it's time to put it against the best of the best. Big thanks to Oppo for making this happen. Now all the opinions are my own throughout this test, so with that being said, let's get right into it. Now taking a look at the night video performance from the main wide lens, it's really incredible how good all these phones are. We're shooting in 4K 30 FPS, the quality looks great on all phones. The most noticeable difference here is with the colors, especially on the S22 Ultra, which goes towards more of a saturated, vibrant look. The iPhone has natural colors as always, whereas Oppo is kind of a mix of both. Again, we have decent 4K night footage performance, but the script completely flips when we switch to the ultra-wide-angle lens. Unlike Samsung and Apple's 12-megapixel ultra-wide-angle lens, Oppo is using the same main 50-megapixel lens as their ultra-wide-angle camera, and you can see the difference is very noticeable, especially in more challenging situations, the night low-light scenarios where it really brings out the detail that you can't even see on the iPhone 13 Pro Max and the Galaxy S22 Ultra. I think this is by far the best ultra-wide-angle lens performance I have seen, especially in low-light and low-light video on any phone right now. Now jumping to some night mode photos, here we have pretty good performance on all phones in first glance, but there are some things that I've noticed on the Find X5 Pro that kinda blew me away. The Find X5 Pro, no matter the situation, it literally takes a second or two for its night mode photo processing, which is so much faster than the iPhone 13 Pro Max and the S22 Ultra. The iPhone takes about 5 to 10 seconds in most tough scenarios, whereas Galaxy S22 Ultra takes on average 4 to 8 seconds. This fast night mode speed on the Oppo Find X5 Pro is all because of the new Silicon X chip, and despite the fast output speed, the Find X5 Pro actually has a sharper image output. If you notice on this shot, you can see more detail on the Find X5 Pro, and of course in this shot where you can see the outer design of the light, which is completely blown away on both Samsung and Apple. Again, all these phones are doing a great job, but the fast night mode output has been my favorite on the Find X5 Pro. Now the look of the night mode will definitely be subjective, especially if you look at the sky, but if you ask me which one looks the most real, like exactly how it appeared to my eyes, it's definitely the Oppo Find X5 Pro. Again, this is going to be subjective, it's gonna come down to personal preference. Some people might prefer the sky on Samsung or iPhone if you don't really care about that natural sky look. Now taking a look at the zoom performance with night mode, they all are doing a pretty good job. Samsung definitely has the best zoom overall, but in nighttime the 10x zoom doesn't operate. In extreme low light, the S22 Ultra actually switches to 3x lens because it's got a wider aperture. But overall, the S22 Ultra has got the best zoom performance, hands down. You're gonna be using the zoom in daylight scenarios anyways, so this is just a quick example. Now jumping to the portrait mode, again we have some color differences going on. I think Samsung definitely has the best edge detection, but in this tricky shot, Oppo was actually the one to have my hair completely in focus, which we failed to see on both iPhone and Samsung. All these phones failed to keep my glasses in the focus, so again, a very tough scenario. I will say the Find X5 Pro's edge detection is very similar to the S22 Ultra and definitely better than the iPhone 13 Pro Max. Now jumping to the portrait video mode, in night scenario, Apple just refuses to use this because it requires more light, whereas both Samsung and Oppo are trying to implement this, and you can see Samsung is definitely the most accurate one in this tough scene. Now looking at the selfie night portrait mode performance, we've got very decent edge detection going on all phones. iPhone still doesn't allow wider portraits, but I still prefer its skin tone over Oppo and Samsung. Again, that's gonna come down to personal preference. So all in all, the Oppo Find X5 Pro has got the best ultra-wide-angle lens performance. The new Silicon X NPU chip makes the night mode photos super fun because they are super duper quick. I've never seen a phone take this good night quality photos in just a second or two. Apart from the low light selfie video performance, I think Oppo may have the best camera system for the night mode performance. Let me know what you everything in the comment section below. It's been a fun time shooting this video in Barcelona. Big shout out to my boy, Lover of Tech, for helping me out. Definitely check out his channel. With that being said, I'll see you guys later. Peace out.